From NBC News World Headquarters in New York, this is NBC Nightly News with Brian Williams.
Good evening, I'm Ann Curry in for Brian Williams tonight as a new study published today reveals stunning and alarming findings about the health of our daughters. According to the study of more than 1,200 children, a significant number of girls are now showing signs of puberty as young as 7 years old. With these findings, the researchers are raising concerns that our girls will be at greater risk for behavioral problems, perhaps even breast cancer in the future. In a moment, we'll be talking to a leading pediatrician about what parents can do, but we begin now with NBC's Rahema Ellis.
The results are startling. More than 1,200 girls between the ages of 7 and 8 from New York, Cincinnati, and the San Francisco Bay Area were part of the study. The findings reported in today's Journal of Pediatrics reveal that while the average age of the onset of puberty is 10 or 11, 15% of the girls showed signs of puberty at 7 years old. Among them, 10% of white girls, twice as many as in a 1997 study, but 15% of Hispanic girls and 23% of African American girls.
Early development is a risk factor for chronic disease, including breast cancer, but also cardiovascular disease and diabetes.
Doctors also worry that children are not emotionally prepared for puberty at such a young age. No one knows the exact cause of early puberty in girls. Theories range from exposure to chemicals and plastics, hormones in food, declining physical activity, and the epidemic rise in childhood obesity.
So if that's the case, you have to make sure your children are eating whole diets, they're exercising regularly, and that their weight gain is not too fast.
And there are other concerns.
Puberty can be normal in some girls, earlier onset of puberty, but in some girls it can be a sign of serious disease.
Danielle Bate, mother of 2, isn't ready.
No, I don't think so. I don't think emotionally that they're ready to go through all the changes that your body goes through, and it's just scary to young children.
Young children showing signs of adulthood much too soon. Rahema Ellis, NBC News, New York.
And joining us now is Dr. Ilana Levine, a practicing pediatrician and spokesperson for the American Academy of Pediatrics. Good evening, doctor. Great to have you here.
Thank you.
You say that this is, while shocking, not surprising to you. Why?
It's true. I'm seeing it in my practice, and I'm seeing young girls coming in not knowing what their breast buds are. They're starting early puberty, and they're not realizing that's what it is because it's earlier than it had once been in the past.
But it is being said in this study as being found as young as 7. So what are parents to do? What is your best advice based on your experience?
The first thing parents need to do is understand that this is happening so that they can talk to their children beforehand, so that before the breasts start to develop, the children know what's happening to them. The second thing parents can do is really encourage a healthy lifestyle for children. We're not sure exactly 100% of all the causes, but clearly they're multifactorial, and weight plays a role, genetics plays a role, the environment plays a role. So as parents, we really want to do our best to provide healthy lifestyles for our children.
And so you're talking about exercising, eating healthy,
Exactly.
staying away from junk food, those kinds of things.
That's right.
All right, Dr. Ilana Levine, thank you so much for joining us tonight. And clearly we need more research on this so that we can have the answers as to what's causing this.
Pleasure.
Thank you.